Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel, where I review the top products on Amazon so that you can make an informed purchase decision. Today, I'm excited to share with you my top 5 picks for the best oil heaters on Amazon. Oil heaters can be a great way to economically heat a room. I've spent countless hours researching and testing products, and I'm confident that these 5 products are the cream of the crop. Whether you're looking for the best product or just one that delivers excellent value for your money, I've got you covered. In this video, I'll give you an in-depth look at each of these top 5 products, discussing their strengths and weaknesses, and helping you decide which is right for you. Whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or you're new to the game, you're sure to find something that piques your interest. So without further ado, let's jump right in and take a look at the top 5 list. Number 1. DeLonghi Oil-Filled Heater. The DeLonghi Oil-Filled Heater tops our list as the best overall oil heater. This unit features comfort temp technology that reduces energy costs while automatically maintaining a comfortable temperature in whatever room you put it in. The temperature is easy to control thanks to the adjustable thermostat and multiple heat settings that range from 700 to 1500 watts. The oil system is completely sealed for maintenance-free operation. Features like the included SmartSnap wheels and built-in power cord storage make this heater even easier to set up, use, and store during the summer months. While the 7-fin radiator offers good oil-to-room heat transfer that's safe enough to use in any room, the light-colored fins show all sorts of dust and dirt that collect on the unit, which can be difficult to clean off. Number 2. DeLonghi Oil-Filled Radiator Space Heater. This radiator space heater boasts a powerful 1500 W heating element that efficiently warms up any room. Equipped with oil-filled thermal slots, this heater offers uniform heat distribution, ensuring every corner of the room is cozy and comfortable. Unlike traditional forced air heaters, this radiator operates quietly, allowing you to enjoy a peaceful environment while staying warm. To cater to different heating requirements, this radiator heater offers 3 heat settings: low, medium, and high. The low setting is ideal for mild temperature conditions or when you want to conserve energy, while the medium and high settings provide a quick and powerful heat boost for colder days. This versatility makes the DeLonghi Oil-Filled Radiator Space Heater suitable for use in various rooms, including bedrooms, living rooms, offices, and more. You can program the timer to automatically turn the heater on or off at specific times, allowing you to preheat the room before you wake up or ensuring the heater shuts off when you leave. Number 3. Drio Radiator Heater. The Drio radiator heater boasts a 1500 W power output, allowing it to quickly and effectively warm up any room. Equipped with oil-filled heating technology, this heater provides consistent and even heat distribution throughout the space. Say goodbye to chilly corners as the Drio radiator heater ensures a comfortable and cozy environment. This heater offers 4 heating modes to suit different preferences and needs. The first mode, Comfort, maintains a consistent temperature for prolonged comfort. The second mode, Eco, optimizes energy consumption by adjusting the heating output to conserve power while keeping the room warm. The third mode, Anti-Freeze, prevents freezing temperatures, making it ideal for spaces such as basements or garages. Finally, the Power mode provides a quick and powerful heat boost for immediate warmth. You can easily set and maintain your preferred temperature, ensuring optimal comfort throughout the day. The digital display provides clear visibility of the current temperature, making adjustments effortless. Number 4. Costway Oil-Filled Radiator. The Costway Oil-Filled Radiator is a simple and easy-to-operate heater without a lot of bells and whistles. It offers a 1500 watt capacity with a dial thermostat that allows for incremental temperature changes and 3 heat settings of low, medium, and high. This oil-filled radiator is strong enough to heat a larger space, or you can dial the heat way down for smaller spaces if you want. It's equipped with overheat protection and tip-over protection, so you'll worry less about fire hazards than you would with some other portable heaters. An ergonomic luggage-style handle and caster wheels allow you to easily move this oil-filled radiator from room to room, depending on where you need heat at the time. While we really like the ease of use and simplicity of this heater, it would be great if it had a programmable timer for setting temperature changes while you're sleeping or out of the house. Number 5. Pelinus 1500 W Oil-Filled Heater. The 3 heating modes and 5 temperature settings maximize efficiency and control, while the LCD screen, programmable thermostat, and remote control offer ease of use. This heater also features a 10-hour timer for a more automated experience. The built-in tip-over safety switch and overheat protection combine to make this oil heater a super safe room heating solution that can be used in conjunction with other heating systems or as a standalone heat source. With its black and gray design, it's also one of the best-looking oil heaters on the market. We do wish it had better user controls, however. Users can adjust the heat settings only in 5-degree increments between 65 and 85 degrees Fahrenheit. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description box. For any kind of problem, please comment below so I can help you further. Life is short, so enjoy your life with our cool products.